tell me, what time is it?
Team first.
It's 1:30.
1:30. And
No, it's not. What time is it? Try again.
What time is it? Try again.
Rally time!
Yes, rally time! Let's go! Good morning.
Dude, it's afternoon.
Oh, good afternoon.
It's
What's going on?
afternoon rally. We're not doing early morning rally.
Yeah.
I don't wake up.
Check the time, partner.
Not even afternoon yet. 11:45. Yeah. Good morning, dude.
We got Dan the Explorer here. Last time I saw him was in Cancun, and now we're here.
Oh shit, yo.
over here.
Yeah, it is now.
Yo, so how many cars do you think we got out here today?
We got so many cars. Like, dude, I don't know. Check the drone shot.
Yeah, aerial view. Should we get aerial view?
Yeah, check the air view. You guys saw the air view. There's like what, like 100 cars?
I'd say like 80 to 100 cars.
And then we're all gonna mob to San Diego, and after San Diego, we're gonna celebrate Coy's birthday.
What dog?
What are you expecting tonight? Like, what are your thoughts?
Am I expecting? Oh man, a good fucking time's what I'm expecting. I'm so hyped. HYPR RALLY.
Man, we're going to your hometown.
Alabama? Oh shit.
Hey. Yo, is this how you getting down to San Diego?
Yeah, it's for Coy's birthday right here.
Yeah, happy birthday, Coy. We came back from Texas. Now we're
San Diego, man.
now San Diego. It's
HYPR RALLY, bro. It's a movie.
No, I came from China, bro. Oh my God. Huh? Damn, dude. Looking extra thick today, partner. Heard you're gonna body him today, dude.
Maybe tomorrow, not today. Today's my day off.
Damn, you ready, dude?
Yes, sir.
This is your first HYPR rally, right? So what are you feeling?
Excited. I don't know if I'm more excited for the drive or the after party. Fucking great song.
You're beyond excited?
Yeah, I live for this. Yeah.
So what are your thoughts, man?
I get to hang out with you, you know? I get to hang out with the
I'm gonna
best.
try and get lucky and maybe get Moises home tonight.
That's gonna happen.
Yeah.
We'll tag team.
Flower of life.
So did Manny copy you, or did you copy Manny?
Why is he called Clapper?
And you know one thing too, you didn't spend 30K.
I didn't. It cost me $500.
Alright, so right now we're at Apparel Casino. We're waiting for everyone to get here. Everyone's getting gas. This is kind of like the halfway point between the starting point and our ending point. We're probably about 2 hours away from our final destination, but we're almost there. I think everyone's having fun. Yeah, we're almost there.
See, what are your thoughts, dude? What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts, man?
Fucking G-Wagon. Fucking the entrance. The people want to get some gas. Okay, move along. So stop recording. Why are you recording me?
That's personal use, safety and all that.
So this is a California. You're not supposed to record now unless you get my consent. Take the car, please,
Hey,
okay?
don't touch my property.
Sorry, I asked
I
you.
get recorded. I'm just doing it for my safety reasons. I'm just a filmer for HYPR Rally, dude.
Oh, the Paul Blart quiz.
Right?
We're asking nicely.
No front plate on the Porsche, and wound up taking my license.
On the rental car?
Well, he took your license?
Yeah.
So your license is suspended right
Yeah.
now?
Apparently, the last time I did like the COVID court shit for my last ticket, went online and everything, and it was dismissed online, but I guess it never went through their system, and my license is suspended. So now I have to deal with that shit.
Still gonna affect you?
Gonna do harder.
Oh, you'll see what's about to affect him.
He's hurt! He's hurt!
Jorge, we're staying here for a little bit. We gotta clean it up.
We'll let the wind do it.
Let the window.
Got him, partner. Got him. I told you to keep going.
I
told you to keep going. I was telling him, I was like, yo, let's just go. We don't need gas. Go. He's like, no, let's say bye to everybody.
Well, thanks a lot. Yeah, for trying to say bye.
We're gonna see that frame, dumbass.
That's what I'm telling you. Aren't you going to the same place that Bro's like, yeah. I'm like, so let's go.
Everyone's going to the left. We're good. No, we're good, dude.
All right, we jump on 3. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God. No, do it again. Do it again. 1, 2, 3.
Stop! 1, 2, 3, no! Stop! Fuck!
Alright, so we're here at K1. We rented out the entire facility. We're doing a private catering lunch. We're doing go-kart racing. We're going to be here for a couple of hours. Everybody's going to have a fun time, race, eat, and after that, we're going to go to the after party.
Oh.
No, we got go-karts going. We got races. I mean, I'm just getting so disrespected right now. Well, second, and then I'm first. He knows his place. Hey, he knows his place.
Yeah, first place. That's the only place I have.
Yeah, because all we're gonna do is party and get lit. So go to your next interview.
It's looking good as ever.
It's very nice. So I get the butt sex. Boys, just beat Christian.
Gabe took number 1, Christian. There it is.
I had a flat tire.
Well, I hate that my name is listed as Catherine Vance.
Oh, okay, we got to rerun it now.
I'm on the qualifying list.
Hey, there we go.
Yeah.
Woo.
I overlapped everyone like twice.
It's a Lamborghini talk right there.
It's a Lamborghini bandwagon.
So I'm out here whooping everyone's ass. Here's the outcome.
Damn.
Hey.
Wait, turn off. Oh my God.
Priceless. Whooping these guys' ass. Priceless.
But you know what good? My friend owns OC Phones.
Oh yeah, Oscar.
I got you, fam.
See, acting's like that. OC phones will fix it, dog.
Man, stop playing, dude. Oh, I just got myself.
Yeah, mine was on the track too.
Oh shit, yours too? Let me see. Man.
I'm going to bust a Perez from last to first.
Third place we have Michael.
Michael! Woo!
Second place we have Jerry. First place we have Tristan.
Woo!
Nationwide champion, still holding. Every HYPR RALLY, man. No one can stop me. Single ladies, not for long.
I just got poured water on me again.
From who?
I have no clue. What is up, guys? Today we're at HYPR RALLY. What is up, guys? We're my buddy Sean. Mine. Oh, you're. Yeah. Oh, you're Manny B. Oh, you're Manny B. What is up, guys? My name is Manny. Come back at you.
Hey, the family and the gardener right there.